Year-over-year growth, peer-to-peer, or P2P, lending is one of the fastest-growing investments. Also called marketplace lending, P2P lending is a growing alternative to traditional lending. It is a system of lending and borrowing without going through the big banks. Crowdfunding platforms are gaining significant momentum in various markets, due to its ability to meet the needs of both lenders and borrowers. For companies, P2P lending can be a faster, much easier and flexible way to get business loans. Small business with bad credit, it can be a valuable alternative to payday loans and credit cards. For most investors, the big draws are attractive returns and the easy lending concept. While peer-to-peer lending can be a great option for many strapped businesses, it's not the right strategy for everyone. Though regulated, investing in P2P lending can still be risky. Generally, P2P lending investments are not covered by any compensation scheme if the lending company goes bust. The emergence of peer-to-peer lending has set the scene in the revolution of the financial services industry. So will P2P lending replace conventional banking system? That is too early to say. One thing for sure, crowdfunding platforms have allowed many SMEs achieve growth and sustainability for their business. Something they weren't able to achieve having been refused funding from the traditional banks in the past. Overall, marketplace lending has changed the game for small businesses seeking financing solutions. For more ways to get help in getting funding for your small business, visit growingoverload.wordpress.com.